Hi y'all, hi guys. Hello, good morning. It's morning over here. It is 11:01 exactly. So I am going to be cooking a goosey soup with some vegetables, meaning I'm going to be cooking some melon soup. And I wanted to, cook with you guys because why not? Well, I don't want to say I want to show you how to cook because I'm still learning myself, but trust me, once I'm done, that food gonna be busting. Okay, so I have my ingredients right here and I'm going to be showing you. Most of them are already prepared, so I'm just gonna get the process started. Okay, so yeah, let's start. Here is the pot I'll be using. All right, the stove is lit. I just have to put in my palm oil right now, and I have all my ingredients right here, so I'm gonna take you through them. I have pepper right here. I have my seasonings, my grounded crayfish, my locust beans, iru, my dried fish. Well, it was soaked overnight, so it's soft now. This is panla fish. I don't know the English name for it. I think whitening. I might be wrong. So I have my chicken over here. Of course, I have my snail and I have my cow skin. Momo. So yeah, this is my stock, and we have the main ingredients right here, which I already put together, which is the egusi. So I think we'll get started. All right, I don't know if I'm missing anything, but I'll show you guys if I am. And that's it. So we're gonna be pouring palm oil in the pot right now. Well, I let my ancestors speak to me with all these ingredients, you guys. I can't tell you this is how much you have to put. This is, but you guys can see how much I put, just enough to cover the pot. Well, ideally this is a little bit too much, but it's fine. I'm just letting this heat up a little bit, then I'm going to be putting my egusi bit by bit so I can fry it a little bit before putting the stew. So this has heated up really nicely, and I'm going to be putting the egusi now. This much. Just the way you fry akara. Okay, I'm gonna put this down so I can speed up the process, but you guys get the gist. So I'm letting this just fry on medium to low heat, so it doesn't burn. After which I'll be breaking this down a little bit more and stirring it up before putting my pepper in. So yeah, I just wanted to show you guys how it's going. Okay, so I just flip this around, and like I said, the oil is definitely too much, so absolutely avoid this much palm oil. I mean, I don't mind it, but if this is not your thing and you're absolutely trying to be healthier, then this is too much. Okay, because the melon itself generates oil, so my bad. That's why I'm not the best cook, but it's not the process that matters, it's the taste, y'all. The taste. Okay, so I'm just gonna let this fry for like 2 more minutes, and I'm gonna break it down and put my peppers in. I wanted it, and trust me, this is not gonna be in the soup just like this. Okay, it's all gonna come together. This is when my pepper goes in. that. Alright, so this pepper is definitely going to dry up a little bit, but just after about 2 to 3 minutes of cooking, I'm going to put my pomo so that it can cook with the soup, because I haven't cooked it before. I mean, it's pretty much ready, but it still has to cook properly in the soup. So before I put in my seasonings and all other ingredients, the pomo definitely goes first, and so as to also soften it. I'm already boiling the snail just because I felt it might be too hard. That's oven dried, so it might be too hard in the soup. I just want to soften that a little bit before putting it in, and just putting it in with the pomo would not really help. So hence the reason why I'm boiling that separately. Come to think of it, now that the pepper is in, the palm oil doesn't look crazy, so it's decent. Alright, I'm gonna let this cook for 2 to 3 minutes and I'll put the pomo in. Actually, maybe 5 minutes. Guys, I'm gonna put the stock now. This is the chicken stock. That much. And now I'm gonna cover this and let this cook for at least 15 minutes. Well, I'm gonna put this snail in a little bit, but I'm gonna let everything cook for 15 minutes before putting the other ingredients. The vegetable, of course, will be the last thing. And yeah. I forgot to show you guys that I also have some gizzard and shaki. So honeycomb tribe and chicken gizzards. So that's going to be going in, well, at least the tribe will be going in right now, because it's still a little bit hard and I want it soft. I'm actually going to go ahead and put the powdered crayfish in there now, so at least this meat in there can get some flavor. And of course my locust beans, but I'm not putting the seasoning right now. And this is already washed, by the way, so at least the pomo has flavor before putting the seasonings in. And mixed in. I'm gonna let my snail simmer for a little bit and put the snail as well, so they can all cook together. Nice chunks. The snail in, because I see it's already a little bit soft. It gets softer in here, so right, that's that. Just turn that off. Taste this for salt just before I put the ingredients, so I don't want it too salty, so it's important to taste for salt. So that was fine. I'm going to be pouring this in there right now. And I'm going to let this cook on medium heat for another, I'll say 15 to 20 minutes. Actually 10 minutes. I'm so confused. But you guys, I honestly don't really time my stuff, but I'm just giving you a rough estimate before coming in to put my fish, actually my chicken, then my fish. And before that, The keypads can also go in there right now. Put my soap to, you know. I'm gonna taste this one more time to see if everything was enough. So I have that the onion powder, Maggi, both the powder and the cube broken, just half a cube, and some salt, some ginger, and some garlic, because those are very key. And that's about it, because I already boiled the chicken and with more seasonings. I don't need more I don't need a lot more seasoning in the soup. Okay, that's the point of the stock. All right, here we are. This is gonna dry up a little bit more before I put my other protein, the fish and the chicken. 15 minutes later, this is how the soup is looking. You see those nice meat, protein, everything, and it's already drying up. So told y'all. I'm gonna put my chicken in there now, and this is my food, so don't worry about my hands. I think that's more than enough, because I don't want to break the fish. It would almost be the last thing I put in there. Another 5 minutes and I'll put the fish in. So I'm going to be adding in my chopped spinach. Alright, so this is what our soup looks like. I'm gonna be serving this with some food, but much later. I'm not ready to eat or swallow right now. So that's it. Thank you.